Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? First fog of the year. But that is wonderful. Oh, it is wonderful living on a boat. What a fantastic life. Water. Fridge is defrosted. Fridge is defrosted. And the light's not on. The light's not on still. Well, I'll have to test it. I'll have to see if it's the... I'll have to pull the fridge out and see if there's power getting to it. If there's power getting to it, it's the fridge. If there's not power getting to it, it's the wire. Come on, Jaeger, out, go. It's not right. 4 bolts getting through. That's not right at all.
I'm going to message fucking Joe and go, Joe, I'm back in Stanley. Bye.
What's that one then? Right. I think...
So we might be going to Stanley today with them.
It's a mega 200 amp. 200 amp.
Oh. There's a warm one today, isn't it?
How did I get that one?
You left the roof.
Oh, I think I found it.
Yeah.
Screwdriver.
What type of screwdriver?
Flat-headed one.
Huh?
A flat-headed screwdriver.
Moggy.
Come on. Yep. Bloody hell, that's well gone. Yep. That's properly gone to the point where I can't even get it out. Pliers. Oof. That.
Well, at least it wasn't for the freezer.
That is definitely a gone fuse. See. Alright, do you want to go see if the fridge works?
Tea.
Yep.
So it's the fuse.
It was the fuse. Well, that's just saved us.
Why is this so much?
That's just saved us 500 quid. You and them bloody cows. Keep staring at them, don't you, mate? You're waiting for the burgers.
Hot dogs. Taking loads of hot dogs.
Oh, mate, you've seen better days, haven't you? Definitely seen better days.
Oh no, sorry, just got burger, please. Thank you.
Coming to get you, coming to get you. It's been so bloody nice all week, though, hasn't it? So today's Sunday, and even though it's raining, we've had a very good day today. It's only just started, it's about 2:30 in the afternoon. But it's only meant to be on for an hour. It's worked really well with the split boat and the sweet boat being down at the bottom of the lock there. We've been transferring customers to each other. And next week we're moving together, and I think we're going to stay together for a little while. Get some trading in. Oh, doesn't it look pretty? All the flowers. Getting there, aren't they? Chilies looking nice. Look at them beasts. Gemma's the flower lover. If I had my way, I'd block pave it all. You say hello?
Hello!
See? Half an hour later, there's no rain. Mum's had a really good day today, hasn't she? Jaeger. Do you want a hot dog? Do some beer? Yeah, you know that word. You remember this fence, don't you, mate? Wait, wait. Wait, wait. Nope. Oh, you definitely remember that fence. No, come here, come here, come here. Amazing. The weather this time of year does look very moody, doesn't it? But you do get some wonderful light. Like that. Amazing, isn't it? So we turn around in the wind. Just let the wind push you. And your back end moves. Pull the front end around as it's blowing you one way. If the wind was blowing from this direction, we'd have done it from the front. Because it's blowing from that direction, we've pushed back out. No engine whatsoever needed. Wind power like back in the day. And that's why winding holes are called winding holes. Goodbye, Kings Road. Where are we going?
Stanley Ferry!
Again? See by them flags on there that this is why it's called Windy Mile. We're going one way now. We were going the other way a minute ago. Don't know what it's doing down here, it comes from all directions. And if you don't keep an eye on it, you end up in the side of the cut. Worried about us doing the lock for us, Gemma?
I know. Scary.
See if she shuts it.
Yeah, she does actually.
Knowing that we're coming up.
going on.
Comes up very fast.
Just had to, when you rung as well, we were just about to start off. Like, I just got to turn the boat around on the window on the road. That was an experience.
What's he doing? Yeah, go on. Well, I don't know, that's what I'm saying. I wouldn't mind doing like a couple of nights in the basin. Not home until Thursday anyway. I've just come back to get my phone. Now, we're waiting for laundry from our friend. Got a laundrette nearby. And we're waiting just at the end of this path. And while we're sat there, some travellers stopped in the middle of the road. Got an big still saw out. Chopped up a barrier. They're all in that field. Come here. Come here. So look at that, they've even got horses in there now. It's the day after. Jaeger, come here. Stay close. But yeah, I think they're taking over that field. Now, a lot of people don't like travellers. I don't actually mind them. I've got travellers in my family. I understand how they work. And generally, if you're nice to them, they're nice to you. If you walk up to them and you've got a face like Fundy, you might be looking for trouble. If you walk up to them and smile and wave and go, "You alright, mate?" They're generally nice. The kids the kids are something else. They're how can I put it? Very boisterous. But yeah, they've just over there behind this tree, where that red and white thing is in the centre now, they've cut a hole through there to get into this field. But yeah, they've properly set themselves up, horses and everything. What's that, Jaeger? You think to that? Now I think they're going to scare some people, because that one there is on the main path through to the bottom of that estate there. And I know people are very wary of travellers. Come on. So I've got a feeling the police are going to arrive some point in the next few days to try and move them on, but they know the law better than us sometimes. Better than the police sometimes, should I say. They know that they can move somewhere for months. When we were back in, where was it? Appley Bridge. When we were back in Appley Bridge, oh, nearly fell over. They took over the railway car park, of all places. And that is the sort of place that you think that they couldn't do anything. Now, don't get me wrong, some of them do cause trouble. They know that themselves. They, well, like I say, I've got family members that are still part of the travelling community. And although some of them are in houses now, and some of them are still in caravans, even they tend to keep away from certain types of travellers. a lot of them do gardens and driveways and cleaning and all that sort of stuff that, you know, they're out there earning money. But some of them earn their money in non-conventional ways. Let's just put it that way.